of the world. It has lots of trees. It is a place where it rains a lot.
Did you know that the rainforests have 4 layers and their real name are forest floor, understory, canopy and the emergence? The canopy blocks the sun. Some of the trees are about 100 feet tall. The animals fly to the emergence and
The weather is very hot and the weather is sometimes humid. It is very hot because the rainforests are near the equator, but on the ground it's always wet.
Did you know that the trees take carbon dioxide and also gives out oxygen?